One day my hood would not open on my 2006 Kia Sportage. When I tried to pull on the hood opening lever from inside the car, nothing would happen. I could move the small latch in front of the hood near the grill, but this did no help.
What's rough? I hope you really dig this video. Please subscribe to the Psychoto channel. Do it.
Eventually I went online and watched some videos. They all said that the only way to open the hood was to take off the driver's side wheel and remove the wheel well. None of the videos I watched really said why there was no other way, so I was determined to try to open the hood some other way and save myself the time and work of removing the driver's side wheel and removing the wheel well. I tried everything I could to reach up into the engine and find the place where the cable to the latch became unhooked, but I could find no way to do it. After spending way too much time, I eventually began to take the driver's side tire off. I removed the side of the plastic wheel well facing the engine. It had an 8mm bolt that needed to be removed, and plastic screws. The plastic screws either unscrewed or they became stripped, and then I had to pop them out with a screwdriver. Next, I had to remove the skid plate that protects the lower portion of the engine. Finally, after searching for about 5 to 10 minutes near the front driver's side area of the engine compartment, I spotted the cable. It was very difficult to see. Once I found it, I was able to reach up and pull the cable to release the latch. I don't know why some Kia's hood latch cables don't just run directly from the cab of the vehicle to the hood latch. Why they have a secondary connection for the hood latch cable doesn't make sense to me. The radiator cap is shown here as a reference point to where the connection lies. As you can see, there really is no other way to get to the area where the cable becomes unattached. It's in a really difficult place to get to. I added a secondary way of opening the latch by placing a coat hanger wire around the cable and running it down through the plastic bumper. This way, if the latch became undone again, I could pull on the wire and unlatch the hood. Also, to prevent the disconnection from happening again, I crimped the cable connection with a vice grip plier.
Just click here to subscribe to the Psychoto channel. Well, what are you waiting for? Subscribe already. Why don't you?